Do you use a travel pillow and are still finding that you are getting a kinked neck or it's super uncomfortable and it's just not working for you? In this video, I'm testing out a travel pillow that is going to completely change your mind on what you think about a traditional travel pillow. Hello! Today I'm going to be trying out a new neck pillow for flights and bus trips and everything else that you may want to have a little nap on and you only have a seat. Now, today I'm going to be testing out Trtl Pillow. I had read a ton of really good reviews on it, and I'm not necessarily a big neck pillow type of person because I find they just never work for me. This one here is your like traditional neck pillow, and I find it completely useless unless you are sitting up and you're just putting it around your neck and you rest it against your seat. If you only do this, if you're only just wanting to sleep with your neck back, I find that's the only way to use these ones, because for me, I like to have my head rested on something. And for me to rest my head on something, it's still not like properly rested on there, but I'm going to wake up with a giant kink in my neck because I'll be so stiff from in that position. Now, I tried this one because it is more tighter around your neck. So it kind of gives you a bit like a neck brace type thing, which is exactly what we want to have when we are needing to have a sleep. We need our neck stayed in one place. Unless you have a window or something to really lean against and put up all your jackets, or if you have like a normal pillow to put up, that's another story. But when you don't have that, or if you're in a really small space, this is what it looks like when it comes. And it is Velcro, and it's really good Velcro too, actually. Now, it is a little confusing when you first open it, but it gives you like little instructions. You can obviously, this is tape, you can take that right off. And all you do is decide which side you want it to be on. I'm just going to put it on this side here. And then it wraps around like a scarf, which I like. It kind of just looks like you have a scarf on, so it's not so obvious. I can pull out all my hair, and then you just rest it on your shoulder, and then it's got a little device inside, little soft, hardish soft plastic, if that makes any sense. And this is me fully weighted onto the neck pillow, comfortable position, but my neck is not kinked. It's still quite straight, and I could definitely go to sleep with this. Keeps your neck warm. I would also put on probably a hoodie over top of this, but it looks like a scarf. You don't have to carry around something huge like those traditional neck pillows. This one folds up quite easy, and it comes on and off very simply. So it's very thin. It is obviously has a shape to it, but it's something that you can stow away very easily and not have it as large as something like this, if you can see it. So I do highly recommend this Trtl Pillow. So that's the brand name, and you can see over there that that's the mechanics that are inside the scarf. And it's nice fleece. It's not gonna really pill. And yeah, it looks like a scarf, and you don't look like a crazy person carrying around your pillow all the time. So I hope that gives you a little insight on trying out a new travel pillow. I do recommend this one. I think this one's gonna work way better than the traditional pillows. And there are obviously a lot of types of travel pillows. I want something small, compact, and this one fits all those boxes, because you can get much larger neck pillows, but then having to carry around that pillow for the rest of your trip just sounds like a pain in the ass to me. So I hope you enjoyed this little product review, and it gives you something to try out. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe to my page. I'm going to be posting lots of travel tips and product reviews and all things travel on this page. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you next week. See you later. Bye.